Hi, I'm Brandon Cross with Node. I'm going to talk to you today about a private cloud for your business. This is a unique solution in the market that I dare you to find somebody that can do it for less. The solution is very similar to the Amazon EC2 cloud, which some people are familiar with. It basically is a large cluster that Amazon has built. It's out on the internet. Now this is similar to that, except that we're taking and we're building a cluster that is only as big as you need it for your business, and we're building it at your premises, or we're putting it off-site in a data center, or somewhere like that. So you can have your own high-end server cluster running your servers and your desktops. That's key. Your desktops make this thing really make more sense. Some people are familiar with the concept of terminal services, which basically involves running end users' desktop sessions off of server hardware. This is not terminal services. This is actually full desktops that are running full Windows 7 installations on your servers in your private cloud. That's really cool because now your server, your desktop hardware doesn't matter as much. You can use older desktop hardware longer. You can use certain desktop hardware like these. Like this is a device from HP, which is a few years old, but you can get a device quite like this for your business to integrate with your private cloud, except your device would have the capability to support dual monitors, any USB device you want to plug up to it, and have it all connect through your own private cloud back to your station, to your monitor and keyboard, or pipe your session off-site to you remotely if you're away. This is really heightened security for you, because if you're on the road, you have a laptop, you need to access your applications from the laptop. You go into your servers that are at your physical premises or at your data center colo that Node can provide you with, or you can get your own. And now you can access all your applications through the internet without having any of that data out there physically off-site. That's really neat because it gives you better security and more control over your data. This is your own private cloud. It's fully managed. It's built out of different configurations of different Node servers that get plugged in. You need CPUs, you need storage, you need both. They can get plugged in and built out into a stack of servers that applies to your business. As few as 2 servers, and as many as hundreds and hundreds of these things can get piled on top of each other and build out your workloads. There's about a 10 to 1 conversion ratio here, so about 10 workloads can operate off of one of these nodes. And so that means that we could take 10 desktops, have it operating off of a single node. If we had 7 desktops and 3 server instances we needed to run, a mail server, a file server, Active Directory, and let's say a web server, plus 7 desktops, we could have 2 nodes set up, 2 combined nodes, just go plug, and build all that out right there. And we'd have complete failover redundancy. If one of those nodes was to completely fail, then we could still keep on operating. If we really wanted to be super budget conscious, we could take one node, drop it down, put all this stuff down on a single node technically, but we'd have 0 failover there, and if that one node went down, your whole entire organization stops. I don't really recommend it based on how sophisticated this solution is and the fact that you can keep on running just by investing a little bit more into the hardware. You can have a fully replicated system. So if you have 4 nodes, you might have 30 instances. So if we took 4 combined nodes or 2 combined nodes and a CPU node and a storage node, whatever we need, we can custom build this thing out to fit your needs as well as possible, and deliver this solution to you for a substantially lower cost than if you were to go to a competing solution and try to build your own server cluster. This is fully managed. It has a big company behind the SmartStyle Cloud solution. The layer of clustering that goes between your physical nodes and your virtual instances, that layer right there is fully managed and supported by a big company, our partner, Zenith Infotech. So what we're doing here, we're managing the hardware for break fix. We're managing the cluster configuration. We're monitoring all of this. We're managing all of your desktop operating systems and your server operating systems. We're managing all of that. We're monitoring it. We're fixing errors that happen. Anything that breaks, we're fixing it. And we're doing it all in a fully managed platform. It's as close to Microsoft Azure as you can get. It's better than Amazon EC2. Those are the only two real technologies I can even point out right now that even compete with this. So we're talking about a solution that is unprecedented, brings a huge new level of virtualization, dynamic reallocation of your servers, puts your whole infrastructure on 100% virtual infrastructure, makes your servers hosted at your physical site or off-site or replicated off-site only if you need them to your data center or to a co-located data center that we can provide or you can find yourself. So we can replicate the whole cloud and give you unprecedented redundancy. So, you know, we're able to do all of these things and build them out for your business today. If you contact Node, we can find out if this solution works for you. I'd encourage you to take a look at it. Let us price it out for you. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.